Hello, friends. We are going to start our new chapter, that is design of connections in a steel structure. In steel structure, steel is the main load carrying material to transfer the load within them and to transfer load to the ground. Example: beam, T section, channel section, steel plates, etc. We see in our surrounding, we all are seen these common steel structures like roof truss in factories, cinema halls, railways, crane girders in various factories, columns, beams, plate girders, bridges. We also seen transmission towers, water tank, chimney, etc. We have seen old arch bridge, then frame building, then framed building in residential also, and in industrial building as well. As we have seen these steel structures in various industries. This is a truss bridge. The suspension bridge is the concept in which uh, bridge is suspended in cable, on cable. These are cable stayed bridge. Advantages of steel as a construction material: high compressive strength as well as tensile strength per unit weight, hence low construction weight, and it saves space. Good aesthetic view, good quality and durability, very high speed of construction, reusability and scrap value, environment friendly, better solution to cover large span and tall structures. Disadvantage: high cost, means high initial cost, and low fire resistance. In steel, we see, or we are going to see steel sections. Commonly available steel sections are I section, T section, channel section, angle section, steel bars, tubes, plates, sheets, strips. These are various common steel sections: T bar, angle, hollow rectangular bar, then wide flange beam, then I beam, and channel. These are types of rolled I section: ISJB, Indian Standard Junior Beam; ISLB, Indian Standard Light Beam; Indian Standard Medium Weight Beam; Indian Standard Wide Flange Beam; and Indian Standard Heavy Weight Beam. This is a rolled steel I section which is having two flange, upper flange, lower flange, and middle is web. These are some pictures of various steel sections and their connections: beam to column, beam to beam. This is a rolled steel channel which is having Indian Standard Light channel, Indian Standard Medium Weight channel, Indian Standard Light channel, and Indian Standard Slit section, special section. These are the connections of channel section. Then rolled steel angle section. In this consists of two types of angle, that is equal angle and unequal angle. In equal angle there is both leg are same, and in unequal angle there is both leg are not same, means unequal leg. Then rolled steel T section. In that it having upper flange and only web. It consists of Indian standard normal T bar, Indian standard heavyweight T section, then Indian standard light T bar. Other sections are Indian standard round bars, Indian standard square bars, then steel tubes, steel plates. These are the various examples of steel structures: lattice girder, then pylon, then knee brace, cable stayed bridge, suspension bridge, etc. This picture is of truss. It consists of various steel sections like purlin, main tie, then bottom tie, then eaves, then ridge point, ridge line. It consists of various steel sections arranged in triangular shape. Loads on structure. There are various loads on structure like dead load, means load of self load. Then live load means load of persons, furniture or machines. Then wind load means pressure of wind. Earthquake load means load of earthquake, means pressure due to earthquake. In design of steel structure, we are using working stress method in earlier decades, but from 2007 it revises and we use limit state method. In working stress method, permissible stress is equal to yield stress upon factor of safety. Limit state method is introduced in 2007, hence it is coded as IS 800/2007. It takes both strength and serviceability into account, means it consider strength and serviceability of the steel section or structure. In limit state, serviceability, minimum deformation, deflection, crack, vibration, corrosion, and ensure aesthetic view. It is functionally safe and it shows indication during failure.